gap notch wasn't wide enough to let the coals out properly. So I can give it some more room. Oh, I got a coal in there. Oh yeah. Got some tinder shroom here. Real true tinder shroom. I'm going to use as a coal extender. See if you can see that coal. Now, I take my time here. When I first started doing this, I was too anxious to get the coal. You're like, oh, it's gonna go out. But I found that when I was in too much of a hurry, I ended up blowing my whole freaking pile everywhere, and I wouldn't even have a coal anymore. Fire yet, but it will be soon. Want to get a good bunch of coals going in there. Throw a piece of false tinder shroom in there. Doesn't want to light. It's still going in. Okay, good. I'll try to put some birch bark in there, see if I can get this stuff going. It's kind of hard, but you would think once you got something going like that, it would just light, right? No. I didn't want to take a chance here, so I'll get some more cattail out here. Something I'll hold down the back while I blow it. And flame. Jeez, that took a while. Birds bark immediately once I have flame, then I don't even play around. Get that flame going right off. Throw a couple twigs on there. Get that going. Alright. That was Mullien, using my my little drill thing here, my little chuck, two-sided chuck, with a Mullien, a nice long Mullien handle. So I could also use this as bits as I run out of Mullien. And let's see, my tinder, I had some dried up grass to make a nest in, and then my nest was inside it was milkweed and cattail, and then I had some true tinder shroom that I just kind of used as a coal extender. Oh, I also had some false tinder shroom that threw a chunk in there. And so it was Mullien on a punky red oak. This is the very outside of the tree. For some reason that works better than I think it's more resinous on the inside. So, and the kicker, it took me a while. I'll edit it obviously since I did all those long ones before. I'll just show this one as successful, but you know, it took me a while. It's like 45 degrees out, 42, 45, something like that. I was trying with cattail. Still no success with that, man. So far my best ones have been Mullien, about, you know, a little bigger than a 1/4 inch on red oak, and you know, I'm still trying all kinds of things, but that's been my success so far. So glad I could do that on video for once. Joe from survivethewild.us. Have a great day.